the TeligentIP training series. Today, we're talking about SMS for personal use. SMS Personal is a platform that allows you to send and receive text messages using your desk phone number. The way that you access the platform is simply by opening a browser window and then visiting this URL. If you do not have this URL, it will be in the comments below. There's 4 different ways to log into the platform. You can use Salesforce, Zoho, BroadSoft, or Google. The majority of our users will use a Google ID login. When you click on that, it will prompt you to log into your Google account. Most of the time, this will be your email address. If you don't know what your password is, your password needs to be reset through your Google account. Once you enter in your credentials, you'll be logged into the box. Here, you can see that my messages are queuing up over on the left-hand side, and then where I do the responding is over on the right-hand side. So it's set up very similar to an email box. I can switch back and forth between the different messages just simply by clicking on them on the left-hand side. If I want to respond back to this message, I just come down here to the bottom. I can type out my message and then simply click send. I can also attach picture messages by using this green attach button. To send a picture message, the file must be saved as a JPEG and there cannot be any spaces in the file name. So if you're having trouble attaching a picture message, just make sure there's no spaces in that file name. I can also initiate a new text message simply by clicking on this blue pencil button up here at the top. I type out the phone number that I'd like to send a message to, and then just type out the message. And then hit send. Once I send, you can see it files over here on the left-hand side with the rest of my messages. Once she responds back to the message, it will queue in over here on the right-hand side, and I can continue responding to the message. Up here at the top right-hand corner, you'll see I've got my profile information. This just lists my phone number, what access I have, what department I'm in, and some other information. And then over here, I can also log out from the platform. You do have the capability to receive email notifications when a message is delivered to your inbox. If you would like to receive these messages, please just let us know and we can get that set up for you. These email messages look very similar to something like this. And that is TeligentIP Personal SMS. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out at any time or leave a comment below. Thanks so much.